Hi, welcome to Bart's Fish Tales, and today it's a tribute to Roger Vergé, who was one of my favorite French chefs in the old days. He made a wonderful vegetable gratin, but I'm going to make it my way. I top it off with some anchovies, walnuts and cheese. So first step is onion. I've got 2 onions, peel them, cut them in halves, and I thinly slice them. Okay, so next step. Got a frying pan, we're going to slowly cook the onions. So actually they become a bit sweet. So we cook them, we simmer them, we slowly cook them for like 10 minutes on medium heat. So splash of olive oil, I loosen the rings and I add these into the pan. This dish is inspired by Roger Vergé, and he was one of my favorite chefs. He was famous in the 70s, 80s. He had a restaurant in a village called Mougins in the south of France, Provence. And his restaurant was called Moulin de Mougins. And well, when we were on holiday, me and my family, with my parents, when we went for groceries, we always passed his restaurant. And I asked my mom, could I please step out? And I was watching people working in the kitchen in between the cypresses, the trees. So I was watching, and everyone was busy in the kitchen. So it might even be that I was, for the first time in my life, inspired to really get into gastronomy, which I went into and then jumped out again. But yeah, so that's Roger Vergé. He was famous for légumes, vegetables. So while the onion rings are slowly cooking, this will be the base for the gratin. I'm going to cut the other veggies, which is zucchini and tomatoes, in slices. So slices of maybe 1/2 centimeter, maybe even a bit thinner. Give these a stir. And actually already I'm going to season them with a pinch of salt, some black pepper. So make sure when you slowly cook the onion rings, they're not going to caramelize. They need to stay white and soft. They will stay juicy. But as soon as you burn them actually, the dish will get bitter. This is not what you want. So I have the zucchini here, 1 zucchini. I'm using like 400 grams of tomatoes. So I slice them. They might be thicker than the zucchini. Why? Because they will be cooked quicker than the zucchini. But more or less you have them in the same dimensions. Well, the same height, the same thickness. But again, you may have the tomato a bit thicker as they will be cooked more quicker. And maybe make sure you don't save on the tomatoes. Just maybe spend a bit more on tomatoes. You'll have these full flavored tomatoes. It will really make or maybe break the dish if you use the wrong ones. Okay, onions. Hop. While the onions are on its last stage, I have 1 clove of garlic, which I peel. And guys, I've preheated my oven on 200 degrees Celsius, which is 390 Fahrenheit. So I have an oven tray right here. And what I do is I'm going to give this oven tray this garlicky flavor. So I have the onion in the tray, right here. Here we go. All the onions are scooped out of the pan into the oven tray. Divide them well. So I don't have them like flat, but I have them on a bit of an angle. Take out the core of the tomato here and there. Well, actually you create like this lovely tart. The colors are amazing. We have the red and we have the green of the zucchini. So you fill the entire oven tray like this. So now I add some thyme. Thyme. It's Provence, it's south of France. So using just the leaves of the thyme. And I finish this off with like 2, maybe 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So I have this in the oven for 25 minutes until golden brown. Well, lightly golden brown. 25 minutes in the oven. Looks amazing. So we will have it for another 5 minutes in the oven. But first we top it off. My style. So this is Roger Vergé, but now it's Bart popping up. We will have some anchovy fillets and some grated cheese. I'm using like maybe 6 to 8 anchovy fillets, which, well, out of a tin, they have cured for like 6 months in salt. So there are barrels, 300 kilos of anchovies cleaned, and then you have like 30 kilos of salt, and they cure them in these barrels. Then they rinse them, and then they have them in olive oil. So it's delicious, gives a great taste. So we have like 6 anchovy fillets, maybe 8, on top of the veggies. Then I've got some parmesan. Roger would have used Comté in the south of France, but parmesan does really well too. So maybe 30-40 grams parmesan on top here, and I'll have it in the oven for another 5 minutes. 200 degrees Celsius, 390 Fahrenheit. We're ready. So actually what we did, we added a bit of saltiness in, well, with anchovies and with the cheese. And it's beautifully gratinated. It's a beautiful gratin. So what I add extra to it is a bit of crunchiness. So I have some walnuts here, maybe like 6 walnuts, and I cut them roughly. So walnuts and cheese do really well, walnuts and anchovies do really well. So it's a great combination. Look at this, amazing. And then we give it, for the garnish, some extra thyme leaves. And to finish it off, drizzle of olive oil. Time for a taste. Delicious, it smells delicious. So I have the tomato, I have the zucchini, onion, walnuts for the crunchiness. Oh, and then the saltiness of the cheese and the anchovies. This is so good. Well, the soft layers of the veggies, the onion, zucchini, tomato, and then we have the saltiness of the anchovies and the cheese, and then the crunchiness of walnuts. Well, thank you for watching, and hope to see you soon on another Fishy Friday.